Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the simple steps to log into your TranscribeMe account quickly and securely. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will take a detailed look at how to log into your TranscribeMe account step by step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Next, navigate to the official TranscribeMe website by entering www.transcribeme.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will direct you to the login page. Here you need to enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure the email you provide is the one you used when signing up. Next, enter your password carefully into the password field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for accuracy. After entering your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have entered the correct details, you will be taken to your TranscribeMe dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, do not worry. You can click the Forgot Password link below the login form and follow the instructions to reset it. This typically involves entering your email again and receiving a reset link via email. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. Here you can access your project's account settings and support options. If you want to stay logged in on your device for faster access, next time you can select the Keep Me Signed In option before signing in. Always ensure you are using a secure internet connection, especially when entering your password, to protect your information. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection and verify your credentials carefully. If problems persist, consider reaching out to TranscribeMe support through their help center or contact email. They are there to assist you with any login difficulties. Following these steps will help you access your account smoothly and start using the services offered by TranscribeMe without delay. Remember to keep your login information secure and never share your password with anyone. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials.